So if you want to sign in to Wendy's, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Wendy's, and after searching for Wendy's, sign in. Here you will have login, and then it will take you to the login page of Wendy's. So to log into your account, you can either use your Facebook or your Google. So I'll be entering my email address. So enter your email address on the first blank, and then you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password option. Click on that, and then you can enter your email address and click on submit, so that you will receive a link or a code to your email address, and then you can reset or recover it. But if you remember, then simply enter your password. And after entering your password, you can simply click on login. And after clicking on login, your account will be logged in. So that's it. That's how you log into your Wendy's account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.